Right, we're off out today. We're going to treat ourselves to something proper food. Decent food. I need proper decent food inside me. Although to be fair, the hotel food's good. It's just me being fussy. And what we're going to do, go down the seafront and find a steakhouse or something, and see what's on the menu. Right, we've popped into the grill house now. Trains are playing. Vice was closed, unfortunately. So we're in the grill house. But we ordered grilled steak. Nice. Been here before a few times, haven't we? Yeah. But my favourite little bar on the corner is just closed. Yeah. Combo. That's the steak done.
It's very windy tonight.
Where do we go? Viceroy? There's no Viceroy.
No, grill house.
Grill house steak. That was nice. Nice steak with chips and corn on the cob.
Yeah.
And now heading back to the bar, get a free drink. Because we spent all our money.
Nice though, just one off.
Oh, nice that money. Bet we can Witherspoons. There you go. Right, let's go and film the front. Follow me.
That's nice over here, isn't it?
Morning. Well, some people think I'm mad, but on my holiday, I do like to get up at least once early and get down the beach, take some photographs. I've left Jill in bed. I've snuck out. So, it's nice and quiet this morning. I used to, in the old days, take my DSLR camera out, a proper camera, a big camera, take it down the beach and do some shots, sunrise shots, and put the filter on and do some proper shots. Or I've done some 360-degree shots here before on the beach. I think that's still live on Google Maps. But, it's not that early. It's 7:45. Early enough for a holiday abroad, but it's lovely. I want to see if the sun's, see if I can get some photographs or video of the sun coming up. So it's only a couple of minutes walk to the beach. I think today we're going to get a bit of breakfast today. Then we're going down the beach all day. Then for tomorrow we're having a bit of a rest because it's what's the day today? Wednesday today. A couple of days yet left yet, so yeah, we've had a good week so far. In actual fact, when you get up early, you realise what you miss from laying in bed. Yeah, it's nice. Castaway's open doing breakfast already. Look, picked over there. And probably from the night before. I think the only people you've got down here at the moment are your fit people, are your joggers, keep you fit. And then your unfit people just having a fag, a cigarette and a live, like a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Always chills with you, really. It's nice. The sun's coming up. Down at the beach, a couple of people just gone in swimming. I'll tell you what, I'm so tempted. It's a little bit windy-ish. It started getting windy last night actually, but it's just bloody gorgeous. The sun's coming up. It's a little bit misty at the moment, but you just feel the warmth in the air. completely different from the UK sort of summer. I feel got towels on the beach over there. No need to do that, it doesn't get that packed down here. It does that hotel. Absolutely sunny. Look out, I'm going to get wet feet. See if you can see in the background there, over my shoulder. Lovely big boats out there, big yacht. A couple of speedboats, power boats, but there's a massive bloody yacht out there over my shoulder, somewhere along there. Let's swim here, look. See it? Turn the camera around. It's pretty big. Look out, getting wet feet. I'll go for a little walk along, waste some time. You'll be in bed for a little while, I would have thought. It's early yet. I'll go for a little walk along that hotel behind us here to the one over my shoulder. Photographed us before, 360 photographs. I think that's still live on Google Maps. Have a little wander. See what's going on. Yeah, I've just walked along the beach to the one of the hotels. So like you can walk around the hotel, I'm not going to walk around the hotel. This is a big boat, I think you can see in the background there. So, there used to be some fish around the water here. I can't see it today, but it's quite clear here. A bit rocky this bit, so very inviting. A bit early yet, so I've got to shoot back, get some breakfast in a minute. Right, I'm going to go back to this hotel here. Walk back there, then walk back. That'll do me for today, I think. That's enough. That's my steps. Change of plan. I'm just going to walk around the back of the Globals Hotel. A bit before you can walk right back. Let's get some nice views. Hotel behind me is the Globals Hotel. I think it's 5-star. We keep meaning to get into that, but we never sort of fully booked. But even there, there's people crowding down getting their sunbeds. As we speak, I can see them running down, getting a towel on the bed. It's quite a nice place. Let's give it a try one day. So I'm just sitting on the rocks here outside the hotel at the moment. I wandered back to the upper hotel. Getting a bit hungry now, so have some breakfast. We'll be ready, I think. I think it's saying. A bit of food inside me, I think. Well, that's that hotel done. The plan is now to walk to the hotel behind me. The tide's coming a little bit, so I'll have to walk on a bump a bit. But I'm going to walk to the hotel behind me, then back to our hotel with a bit of breakfast. I almost made the hotel, not quite. It's fishing, it's over the background, you see it there? Yeah, it's there. So I'm knackered. It's getting bloody up now. I'm going to get back, get some breakfast. I think it's all chilled up too. Then we'll be back down there for a bit of sunbathing. Look, these seagulls are massive. Right, let's head back. Sandy feet. Right, that's me done. I'm knackered. It's getting on sweating not here. It's a joke. So how can people job in this fucking thing? heat, sorry, that's swearing. So I'm heading back now to the hotel. See what Jules up to, a bit of breakfast. That'll be our bus soon, I think, we're heading home. Or just turning up one or the other. Yeah, let's get back out something to eat and get back down that beach. Get in that water, lovely. So as I said earlier, yeah, we're back down the beach. A bit busy today. I'm going to take the camera in and see if I can film any fishes. It's a bit rough, they're a bit windy. Well, Jill's panicking now because I think I spotted some little jellyfish. So I'm going back out with the camera. See if I can find any. Let's have a look. Disappeared. I'm sure I saw a little brown jet. I don't know if they're brown, are they? Got white normally, but can't see them. Mackie D's it is. Too much sun, got to go for lunch. Proper lunch. Well, that was eventful, people. Back to the hotel we go. Can't get a seat anywhere in the bar to watch the football. So it's plan B, I think. Don't know what that is yet. Can you see me? Oh, just about, yeah. Oh, I didn't realise the bar shuts at 11. Bit disappointing me. I'm last man standing. There's a few French people behind me, but couldn't get the football. Couldn't watch the football down the road because of all the bars are shut. Or sorry, they're not shut. They're busy. It's packed. And then why should we? Because we're all inclusive. So we're. Can you see me or not? No. Yeah, all inclusive free bar at Fergus Bermudas Hotel. And the bar shuts at 11. But I managed to get a sneaky couple in. I've enjoyed my holiday, don't get me wrong, I've enjoyed my holiday, but yeah, as I say, there's no football on the TVs here. Having said that, was a few games tonight, not just England, so you can't just think about England. And then there's games outside in the bar, all the bars are packed, and there's a load shut down, but the ones that were open were busy with people watching football, so we came back here. We watched football on my phone. I look up, there's no one here, there's about 20 people in. I'm filming this, but I'm not sure if you can see me, to be honest. So, to be fair, they did show me a quick couple. So tomorrow we've got to pack our bags. We're flying home Friday. It's Wednesday today. Tomorrow's Thursday. So Thursday we're coming down by the pool. And we're going to have a few drinks during the day. And then we're going to go back and pack our bags. Flying Friday. So anyway, thanks for watching. You can't see this, it's pitch black. But I thought I'd give you some updates. Here we go.